Today, we will go over the short sound of the letter I. The short sound of the letter I sounds like I, I. This is the word in. The word in uses the short I sound, in. This is the word when. The word when also uses the short I sound, when. This is the word dig. The word dig uses the short I sound, dig. This is the word gift. The word gift uses the short I sound, gift. This is the word milk. The word milk also uses the short I sound, milk. This is the word ship. The word ship uses the short I sound, ship. This is the word lip. The word lip also uses the short I sound, lip. This is the word king. The word king is another word that uses the short I sound, king. This is the word kitten. The word kitten uses the short I sound, kitten. This is the word pig. The word pig is another word that uses the short I sound, pig. This is the word hit. The word hit also uses the short I sound, hit. This is the word miss. The word miss is another word that uses the short I sound. These are only a few words that use the short I sound. I know you can find some more.